Understanding Cast to Screen, a simple guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cast to screen. This is a common term in today's digital world, and understanding it can really help you in navigating various technologies. So, let's dive in and demystify this phrase together. Cast to screen refers to the process of sending visual and audio content from one device, like a smartphone or computer, to another display device, such as a television or projector. This is usually done wirelessly. The idea is to share content from a small screen to a bigger one for better viewing. To cast to a screen, you need two devices, a source, like your phone, and a receiving device, like a TV. These devices connect through a shared network, usually Wi-Fi. When you select the Cast option on your source device, it sends the content to the receiving device to display. There are many situations where casting to a screen is useful. Watching videos from your phone on a larger TV screen. Showing a presentation from your laptop to a projector in a meeting. Sharing photos with family and friends on a big screen. Here are some tips to ensure a smooth casting experience. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Keep the source device within a reasonable range of the receiver. Use compatible devices as not all devices support casting. I hope this video helps you understand what cast to screen means and how you can use it in your daily life. Remember, it's all about sharing content from one device to a larger display. Happy casting, and see you in our next video.